What's up, homie? It's Tony. I decided to take on a challenge, trying out 100 different jobs here at the LCSIGN factory. And today's challenge, welding. All right, now let's check out how we're gonna weld the shell of an illuminated letter sign with these equipments here. Let's go. The key is to keep everything smooth with no gaps so the light doesn't leak out. The side straps have to meet the base with perfect 90 degrees to prevent any wrapping. So before we tape it, there is gaps in here. First of all, we need to tape on it. First of all, we need to put a tape here to prevent the light leakage. Yeah, so apparently this tape here is already able to block the lights. Every turn, every corner needs one of these here. So there will be no leakage from the outside because I have taped here these corners. Okay, so to do this welding part, there's a lot of heat in this. So we need to put the gloves and this protective mask here. It comes with a goggle and a facial mask. So what you do is this, very simple. You do it like this, and when you weld it, it prevents the thing to come to your face. 怎么搞？点这里是吧？ So here's switch. Okay. 然后这个折断掉吗？点久一点，你把它拉一下。哦，这样子。Now let's do this part, okay? We're gonna fill the gap here. Do not try this at home. 那怎么样才能把它焊住嘞？我来先帮你点住的。好，你看我让你看一下。好，你要点过去就行了。哦。这个地方可以吗？ 我来帮你把它点明。OK。哇，它这个一下就融上去了。对啊。就是要多弄一点，让它融开来是吧？不是多弄一点，对。哇，你看，看得到吗？这个就这样就好了是吧？可以，然后就打磨一下。 然后就打磨。OK。一般是左手拿还是右手拿这个？右手拿这个是吧？把这个铁丝放在这缝里，对，稍微点久一点点，不怕的。点久一点是吧？哈。按久一点，先试一下。好。哎，对，按久一点，对。你感觉它化了，你就拿起来。对了。这可以吗？你感觉可以？哎，对，可以了。可以是吧？可以。这个1分到10分打多少分？满分10分打多少分？起了8分了。有8分了。可以。So the key is to press a little bit longer, like this. So this is iron, and this is stainless steel, and we mill the stainless steel on the iron. We align it first, and you press like each part. You press it for like 2 seconds, like 1 second, until it melts down. For the final part, you're gonna like this, and then you melt more on the previous part to make them like more even, like that. So I just got a 8 out of 10 on my welding. It's my first welding, and I got an 8 out of 10. What do you think of that? Got a job you want to see me try next? Let me know in the comments, and follow LCSIGN.